Hey, welcome back. I'm super excited to see you here. This proves that you are among the top 5% in the world as you are an action taker. Without any delay, first things first. I want to give you a gift one. That's a lifetime free membership of Wealthy Business Mastery, which is my Facebook VIP group. The first thing I want you to do is click on the below link Wealthy Business Mastery and join my private VIP community. It's a by invite group only. So this is your gift one. It's a lifetime free membership for you. Gift 2. I generally never do masterclasses online as I'm purely a one-to-one mentor and coach. I'm doing this as I'm on a mission to turn 100,000 entrepreneurs into a wealthy entrepreneurs. My 90 minutes masterclass valued 59,200 is absolutely free for you. I may not be doing these masterclasses online in future. This is purely because of the lockdown and many can't meet me personally for mentoring and coaching and for strategy sessions. So I'm doing this online masterclass so that I can help as many as entrepreneurs as I can. So don't miss this masterclass if you really want to build a wealthy business. And that's my gift too. And for the action takers, I have another gift. Before another gift, is it okay if I share something about my entrepreneur journey? In 2011, I walked away from a high-paying corporate job with more than 2 decades of expertise serving national and international brands. I thought I can do wonders. But initial 2 years was like a hell and heaven. I was not getting time to do what I love to do in my business. Due to that frustration, my energy was draining, which was leading to financial crisis as I was unable to do more. One fine day, I clearly understood 2 things. 1, I don't know how to build a business. I need to master the game. 2, having decades of expertise in retail, serving national and international brands in one big area of the business doesn't nowhere help you to build a sustainable business. I started investing in me what I was losing over a period of time, that's time, energy and money. I went into a deep learning curve. I begged, borrowed, I did whatever I needed to do to learn from the world's best mentors and coaches who coaches the world's best company CEOs. My life and business transformed from there on. I built my businesses, those are running without my presence. Now I am impacting thousands of lives of entrepreneurs, and dozens of my clients, mentees, coaches are able to triple their revenue within the first year with zero failure rate, with no experience and zero talent. Why am I sharing this is, almost every business can have a scalable model which helps to bring in the cash inflow within a short period of time. But it doesn't mean that you're building a profitable and scalable business. So if you really want to build a profitable and scalable business with a sustainable organic growth in 90 days with no experience and zero talent, then you got to have a wealthy business model. It's a vehicle to build any wealthy business. Majority of the businesses makes huge money initially, later they struggle like anything. This is what happening with more than 90% of the entrepreneurs. So here is my bold promise to you. By the end of this masterclass, you will discover why business skills are most important to build a wealthy business and how anyone can master those skills. How anyone can run business without their presence like large corporations. How anyone can out-innovate the competition and create a monopoly in any highly saturated markets. If you practice them and implement your business, I can guarantee that you can triple your revenue within the first year. So don't miss the masterclass. Be sure to present at least 5 minutes early to the masterclass as these are for limited attendees only. Have pen and book handy so that you can take notes and you can implement those learnings in your business. Okay, here is my gift 3. The moment you finish my masterclass, at the end of the masterclass, I will be sharing you a coupon code value rupees 11,800 absolutely free, which is my 30 minutes clarity session. It's a 30 minutes clarity session between you and me only, where you can clear all your roadblocks and take away the roadmap to triple your revenue within the first year. No matter at whatever level your business is right now. I will take every power to help your business win, and you can have the kind of life you want, and you can have the kind of business you want, and you can have the kind of family you want. And also you can create the kind of family security you want with a meaningful life and a purposeful life. That's the gift 3. Before you leave this page, click the below link, join my community to get notified with the new updates and also about the masterclass. Glad to be here with you, and I see you in the masterclass. Thank you, be awesome and prosper.